Hello viewers. In this session, I will discuss about how to install the packet tracer and how to block the internet access in particular applications like packet tracer. So, without wasting much time, let's dive into the topic. So, after opening the browser, some type the netcard at the website. So after opening the netcard website, and then proceed to the login page. So after going to the netcard and the website and logging in, just type in the address bar as resources, then lab downloads. After scrolling it down, we'll get the option for Windows, Windows, Linux, and the Mac OS. So we'll download the Windows 1. So after downloading the packet tracer, firstly when we'll install it. So after installing the packet tracer, when opening it for the first time, it will give some prompts, and after opening the packet tracer again, it will show this screen. So to prevent the packet tracer to show the screen, we have to block packet tracer from accessing the internet. So to do that, firstly we have to close this packet tracer. After that, search for the control panel. So after opening the control panel and searching for the firewall option, then go to advanced settings, then inbound rule, new rule, then here programs, next. Now we have to search for the path of the program. So here click on browse, C drive, files, Cisco Packet Tracer 9.0, bin, packet tracer.exe, open. Next, block this connection. Next, now here give this some name. Block internet access. Click on finish. Now do the same for the outbound rules. New program. Next, then this program path. So after going to the same folder, move to the packettracer.exe, copy the path. Next, block internet access. Click on finish. Now after opening the packet tracer, you will not see any prompt, and then you can work properly even if the internet is connected. So first let's wait for the packet tracer to open. Yes, see, now the packet tracer is opened and you will not see any prompt.